Hey friends, once again I am here with something different and unique. We all know these COVID-19 days, we people are facing a lot of problems at our homes, our children and the school, the teaching system and everything is affected. Even then we have hope. Hope for living, hope for working and hope for improving our teaching skills. So I am here with something in front of you. I would like to show you what I am having. Have a look. You will be surprised to see what are these things. Some water, we have foil paper, we have scissor, we have pencil, we have tape and we have this small piece of earbud. So what I am going to do with this, I'll be making a stylus pen through which you will be able to work on your mobile phone screen. So let's see how to do it. First of all, we have to take the pencil, and the size of pencil you can decide. I have taken middle size of pencil, which is just like the size of a pen, and then we have to take the top part of this earbud, and this top part of the earbud is to be fixed in the pencil just like this, right? And afterwards what we need to do, this foil paper we have to overlap on the pencil, and this overlapping should be done in such a way that it is properly fixed, right? It should not happen that this pencil and this earbud part is getting disconnected. So for this we will be just moving this step by step slowly, so that without any problem it should be properly covered. Now after doing this, what we can observe, the top part we have left with some area which is having cotton, right? After doing it, what we need to do further to fix it, we have to take the sellotape. We need to take small piece of tape so that we could be able to fix it properly, and the foil paper which we have fixed on the pencil should not get loosened, right? So this way you can apply the tape in a better way, right? And afterwards the top part, this part of the stylus should be dipped with the water, right? And afterwards what we have to do, let's see. So let's begin. And as you can see, the stylus which we made, one thing we always need to remember, that this part, this cotton part should be as less as possible in the outside. So let's begin, start working. I would like to open the Samsung Notes, right? When I click on Samsung Notes, as you can see, it's working fine. Click on the plus so that we could start working with fresh, and then as you can see here, we have something through which we can write, and this writing is basically writing through this way. Clear? So from here I can do undo, and this is the option for eraser. When I click over here, I have different styles, I have different sizes which I can choose. Suppose I choose black color and this style, and now I would like to write something. Say I have to teach number system, so I am able to write here number system, fine. And from here I can scroll, and suppose I have two binary numbers 10101 10011, and I have to add these numbers So 1 plus 1 0, carry is 1, 1 plus 1 0, carry is 1, 1 plus 1 0, carry is 1, this 1, then 1 plus 1 0, and then 1. So the thing is ki this way we can do the work. Now what else we can do here? We can do selection. Now this selection is lasso selection, means we can select freehand. You select the things and after selection we can do delete option. We can do, if I do undo, it will come back. In selection we have rectangle option also, so that we are able to select something in rectangular. I have the option of copy also, means the copy of the same object can be created. Copy and then come down and then paste, and then you can scroll down to see the things. Fine. So further we have option of attachment. If we click on attachment, we can look for image. We can open any of the image from the gallery and we can function on that. Whatever image we have chosen, it can be resized, it can be rotated, and we can do whatever we want. So the thing is ki with the help of stylus on Samsung Notes, we can perform every type of editing. We can teach our students. In my upcoming videos, I'll share some other softwares through that you will be able to perform well in teaching. You can make interesting and you will be actually enjoying it. Thank you so much. Like and share and subscribe the channel. Thank you so much.